Hey, so if you're trying to activate Google Anti-Gravity, yeah, there's actually no official switch inside Google for this. It's not a real setting, it's a fun browser experiment people access through external demo pages. In this guide, I'll show you how to activate it in 2026. First thing, open any browser like Chrome, Edge, or Firefox. This trick works through a web-based simulation. Next, type Google Gravity in the search bar. So you're looking for an interactive demo, not a real Google setting. All right, click a Google Gravity demo like the classic Mr. Dupe version. I mean, this is where the effect actually happens. Now, wait a moment. Once the page loads, the anti-gravity effect automatically starts. Next, interact with it. So you can drag elements, throw them, and watch them respond like real physics objects. All right, try other versions too, like Google Sphere or Gravity Toy variations. And yeah, just refresh the page to reset everything. That brings the page back to normal instantly, so that's how you activate the Google anti-gravity effect. It's just a fun web experiment, not an actual Google feature.